Are you ready to spring clean your home, but not sure where to start? Limpier's professional cleaning services are just around the corner, ready to get your home looking its best. As the season changes and the weather warms up, you'll want to make sure your home is clean and fresh. That's where we come in. With our years of experience and top-notch cleaning equipment, we'll have your home sparkling in no time. From dusting and vacuuming to deep cleaning your carpets and windows, we'll take care of everything. So, what are you waiting for? Call Limpier today and experience the best spring cleaning services around. Our team of friendly and professional cleaners will work quickly and efficiently to get your home ready for spring. Plus, our competitive rates make it easy to fit our services into your budget. So, don't wait another minute. Call today and make your spring cleaning a breeze. With Limpier, you'll have more time to enjoy the beautiful weather and spend time with your family and friends. Let us take care of the dirty work so you can relax and enjoy your spring. Hurry now.